Hey guys, good morning. I am up, the babies are up. It's like something that is in their senses. When they know that I am up, in 1 minute they'll get up. I just don't know how. So I'm starting my vlog today at 7:42 in the morning. I got up at 7 and I thought that I'll do some exercise and everything else before they all get up. I usually get up by 8 o'clock these days and they get up with me. But no, lo behold, they are up and it's a beautiful morning. It's a very beautiful morning. As you can see, it's sunny outside and it's very breezy. See, I plan to do some exercise, but just like the Pied Piper of Hamelin, I think my kids will barge in whenever, wherever I start doing this, because they just want to be there where their mama is. It's so typical of kids to just follow their mothers. So I think there is no privacy, and you might see my kids also doing exercises. Just as I said. Just as I said. You cannot see me right now because of the lighting. Say hi.
Hi, hello, sir.
Say how are you?
How are you?
Who is this?
Kian and mommy.
Does Kian love mommy?
Yeah.
Will Kian do exercise with mommy? Where is Tiana? 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 Hey Babu. Tiyu? What are you doing, Tiyu?
Mommy.
Mommy. Tiyu exercise korbe? Tiyu, you want to do exercise? Huh? You want to do exercise, Tiyu? Tiyu? So here they are. Both my babies are here. And yeah, let's start. Let me get some Bollywood songs so that we can do some exercise right up. But since the internet is not working right now, I don't know how am I going to do it. I need some songs to run so that I can do my exercises, but no, that's not going to be. So let me continue with my vlogging.
Hey.
What?
How's there?
Cow is there?
Yeah.
Where is the cow?
Here.
Where? What is the cow doing?
Cow is sitting on leaves.
A cow is eating on leaves. Okay. Oh, a disaster was about to happen.
Come.
She was about to fall. Okay. They are looking at cows now. There. Cows. They don't get to see cows on the road there in Canada, right? So this is a moment of excitement for them. Hey, what color is the cow?
The cow?
Yes, both the cows.
They're brown.
Very good. Can you say something on the camera?
Hello. Look, I got a cow here and a dog there.
A dog there?
Yeah.
An imaginary dog?
Good.
My daughter especially gets very excited to see cows. So guys, yeah, hi, I'm out. I'm at the up at the upper terrace. So I thought that if I cannot do my exercises at home, obviously with the kids hovering, running here and there, I might as well do my exercises here. Or I would just walk, do some brisk walking. Keeping active is very essential in this quarantine period because you can very easily become lazy and not do anything and just sleep, watch TV, just be lazy in general. So I thought that I might just do some brisk walking on the terrace and yeah, and get on with my day. Guys, you must be knowing that I am currently at my parents' home in Bhilai. and this has been like, this is the first time I'm in Bhilai for so long. It's like 4 months that I would be probably staying here. I was supposed to go back to Canada on the 24th of May, but all the flights, the international airspace, I think it's not going to open up so soon. My flight is cancelled, and I am staying back here. I really want to go back, and I miss my husband a lot, but since there is no way out, I would be here for a longer duration of time, foreseeable future. It looks like I would be here for another 3 to 4 months before everything becomes normal, or what would be the new normal. I do not think that they would be opening up airspaces or flights so soon. So let's wait and watch. It's best place to be right now for me. My sister is here with her kid. I am here with my kids. My parents are here. So this, after grade 12, this is the first time that all 4 of us are together for such a long duration. I never had a chance to stay with my parents and my sister together. My sister was my roommate in Pune when we were working and we had our jobs and everything else before getting married. But this is the first time that all of us are together in Bhilai, and we are getting to spend a quality time with all 4 of us are going to, are spending time with each other. But the flip side is I am not able to go back to my husband, who is alone in Canada, though he's very, very self-sufficient. He can cook, he can clean, he can do all the household chores. It's very, very important, for men, boys. The kids wanted to go out, so here they are. Tiana, why are you out? It's so sunny and bright. Where is Dada? Dada got the balls. Wow. What are you doing? So, you wanted to come out, right? You wanted to come out, right? Why will Bonu sit here?
I will sit here.
You don't want to go? Okay. So the morning shenanigans have started. Usually it's evening time when I get them out, when the sun is not so bright. But then these little minions, they insisted. Why? What are you crying for? Huh? There. Kian, it's too hot. Can we go inside? If you want to sit here, you can sit inside too, right? You want to sit inside? Shall we go? So we can go. We can come out in the evening, Kian. It's too hot. Look what Bono is trying to do. Bono! Can you go get your ball, baby? Should we go inside? Why? Oh! Get up, Diana. Get up. Get up. So I like the conversations that they have. Such deep, meaningful conversations. What? It's very difficult to keep kids indoors. But then kids are the only people who seem to seamlessly adjust to any situation. And they have adjusted so well to this entire quarantine thing. They don't even know what is happening. So, adults find it difficult to adjust to changes. But they seem to seamlessly adapt to new situations, new places, new people. I have been in India for the past 3 months now. and I have traveled a lot in the first month when everything was open, nothing was in a lockdown situation. So wherever we went, they adapted. That is the biggest thing that the kids have. See? Down cleaning karo. Ba 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 ba. Karo clean karo. বা কি ভালো মেয়ে ক্লিন করছে ভেরি গুড ক্লিনিং গার্ল ক্লিনিং গার্ল ক্লিন 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 Hey guys, hi, good evening. I'm vlogging after a couple of days now. Here is Kian.
Hello,
Say how are you?
how are you?
How was your day?
I got a monster truck.
Oh wow, so nice. My kid got a monster truck and he's so happy. So I want to thank you guys for watching my vlog, and my first vlog has now around 120 views. I really appreciate all of you taking time and watching it and subscribing to it. Please subscribe so that I can make such more vlogs from time to time and keep uploading. I'm very new to this. I don't have the proper equipment. I don't have a very good camera. This is my mother's phone that I'm using to vlog. I don't have a tripod or a gimbal or a selfie stick or anything related to vlogging, and it's very difficult to purchase anything right now because of the lockdown. Okay, he's not letting me speak. This is what happens when you have a toddler with you. Even if we would have been in Canada, he would not have been able to go to preschool right now because everything is closed. Can you sing No More Fire?
Fire, no more fire. You want to scream, ho! Blaze the fire truck if you wash the blaze away, ho!
No more fire, no more fire.
Now I'm tired.
Oh, okay. Now he's tired. So that was my singer singing No More Fire. Can you sing Raindrops and Roses for me?
Huh?
Can you sing Raindrops and Roses for me?
Okay,
Drops
raindrops and roses and the stresses keep rain. I don't want raindrops and roses.
Okay, sing with me. Sing with me. Come sing with me.
No, you have to know raindrops and roses and the TV.
No, not on the TV. You sing with Mama. You sing at night time, remember? Can we sing together? Can you face the camera? Can we sing Raindrops and Roses together? Drops and roses and whiskers and kittens, bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens, brown paper packages tied up with strings. Those are a few of my favorite things. Girls in white dresses and blue satin sashes, snowflakes that lay on my nose and eyelashes, silver white winters that melt into springs. Those are a few of my favorite things. When the dark bites, when the bee stings, when I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel very good. Oh, okay, get another cars. So yes, that was my baby boy singing, and we will go on with our evening shenanigans now. I'll take them to the terrace, and so that they can just go out and have a good time out in the terrace. I have uploaded a Hindi vlog too, so if you would want to watch it, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel @eb. My first vlog was Mummy Hustles. If you have not seen it,
Hey, look, I got another car. Look,
another car. What car is this?
it's a white car.
What is it called?
It's a white car.
It's a white car.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a white car. So yeah, if you have not watched it, please go ahead and watch it. You will be entertained, I assure you. Thanks. Have a great day. I'm logging off right now. Bye.